Copy trading on Tradovate, a futures trading platform, involves mirroring the trades of experienced traders using supported tools. Here's how you can do it. Open and find your Tradovate account. Sign up. Create a Tradovate account if you don't already have one. Find your account. Deposit the required amount to trade futures contracts. Access the copy trading feature. Tradovate offers copy trading through integrations with platforms like Tradovate Marketplace or external services. Visit the marketplace within Tradovate to explore available traders or strategies. Select a trader or strategy. Browse through a list of available traders or systems. Check key details, performance history, analyze the ROI and trade success rate, risk level, assess the drawdown and volatility, subscription cost. Some strategies may have fees. Choose a trader or strategy that suits your risk appetite and goals. Connect and start copying. Subscribe to your chosen strategy. Approve the connection in Tradovate to enable automatic trade replication. Monitor performance. Keep track of the copy trades directly in your account. Adjust your allocation or stop copying if needed.